All right, welcome down to the Wild Mile. We're doing some muscle work today. Mussels are in action. Mussels are being flexed. We got a big new crop of mussels from the Urban Stream Research Center out in DuPage County. This has been our more successful propagation to date. So what we've got here is about 1,700 giant floaters, Pyganodon grandis. This is a lovely treasure chest size cooler that we got from the DuPage County, and it's full of their beautiful, wonderful mussels. What the lab is able to do is take them past the most vulnerable point of their life cycle, from when they're very, very young, just out of their mother, to, about the size of a pinky, but we got these in much better shape than normal. These are about the size of maybe half your thumb or a full thumb. So we're talking pinky to thumb difference. That's huge. They are marked with little black dots. That's markers so that we know their age class, so that when we look at any mussels in any of our habitats, we know that yes, we released it, and yes, it is this old. Bucketing, it just really includes a lot of sand and a lot of water. We have these habitats. These are called mussel bunkers. These were designed by Owen from the Eagle Scouts maybe a year or so ago. And all these are just going to be bunkers where we can hold substrate that they like to burrow into, which is going to be sand in this case. It's got a cage so that we can cover it over top. And it's this size because this is about as heavy as we can lift something back out. So it allows us to take a look at these mussels over time, see how they're growing. And the goal here is eventually they will become large enough that they will be able to naturally reproduce on their own, at which point we will release them into the broader canal. So this is kind of stage two. Stage one is taking them from DuPage and getting them to a certain size, and then we get them for another 2 or 3 years until they're big enough to do their own thing and survive in the wild, and then they can go back out and help repopulate the rest of the Chicago River.